Hello students, in this video I will explain the important terms of neural network. Okay, so the important terms of neural network is neuron, or we can say it as a node. This is a structure, we call it as a neuron or node. Okay, so what is this? This is the main basic unit of neural network. It gets certain number of inputs, and also it receive and also along with each input it has to receive the weight. Okay, for every for a certain number of inputs and weights and bias, all these are to be received by the neuron or node or processing element in a network. Okay, so every input or every connection or every input has a weight value w1 w2 wn. Okay, for each input it has a weight value which is associated with input. Okay, and also um, um, weight values. Okay, now what this perceptron will do, it has to perform the operation or processing. So how it will do, it will perform the summation of weight and input. Okay, if we have n inputs, how we will represent? If we represent input as f of z equal to xi into wi, that means suppose x1 w1, this is the first input and every node has some weight value. Okay, this weight value we can adjust during the training learning algorithm. Already we learn, it is an adaptive method where we can make some changes during the learning process of this model. Okay, so input value into weight. Okay, I'll tell how to give the weight. Next, plus weight is a constant value we will give. Okay, next second input into weight, its weight plus, so we can give up to xn. How many inputs we are giving? For every input it is associated with a weight. Okay, into plus bias, b means here bias plus 1. So this has to be performed by each processing element. Okay, this is about processing element. Okay, this is the processing element. Next is connections. What are the connections? One neuron, that means you see this example, same. One neuron is connected to another neuron. A neuron in one layer is connected to another neuron or node in one layer with the help of a connection. This is called a connection. Okay, so every connection has weight. Okay, that means this is an input value which we are giving to this node. Suppose some x. Okay, now when this is an input value, every input is associated with some weight. Okay, so a connection always has a weight value associated with it. Okay, so here the goal of training, that means in the training phase, is to update this weight value. That means based on, suppose here the given based on the given threshold value, we are saying the given output is predicting the class correct or not, accurate or not. Okay, suppose if a given threshold value is not reaching accurate, but a given data in the given data set there is some other class, so to reach that class we have to change the weight. Okay, suppose in a record 1 the output is some 5, but what we are doing, when I give the same record 1 to this network, instead of 5 it is resulting value less than 5. So what we have to do? We have to make some change. So where we will change? We will make this updation in the weight value. Okay, why we have to do like this? To decrease the loss or error in the given output. Okay, next term is BIOS. This is called a BIOS. What is this BIOS? BIOS is a special input which we are giving, and we can also say a BIOS is an extra input which we are giving to a neuron, and it is always 1. The value of BIOS is always 1, and it has its own connection. Okay, and it has its own connection and weight. This makes that even when all the inputs are none, if we are not giving any inputs, at that time BIOS is activated in the neuron. Okay, what is BIOS? BIOS is a special input or extra input value we are giving to the neuron with some weight whose value is always 1, is activated when there are when there are no inputs, or when the inputs are none. That is called BIOS. Okay, these are the some terms. These are the important terms here we will use in the neural network. Okay, so here weight will take some constant value, and according to that we will execute the here according to that weight and input value, the processing element will process the operation. Okay, in the next video we will learn about how to develop this neural network.